Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix could not add card, try again later, or contact your card issuer for more information. So guys, if you try to add card for your Apple ID and it's not working and you're getting the error like this again and again, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. First of all, you have to close this page. Now guys, basically it's happen if your region is not selected correctly. So just simply have to open the general, scroll it down. From here you have to tap on language and region. Let me tell you that from here you have to select the same region in which your debit or credit card is made. So just simply have to select the same region, tap on region and select your region. And after selecting the region guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to open the settings again. Now tap on your Apple ID, tap on sign in and security, and make sure that if your password is strong enough, from here you have to change your password for one time. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to check if it's working or not. So from here guys, you can easily change your password, and after changing the password, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings again. From here you have to scroll it down, then tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down. Also make sure that your date and time is correct. Then from here you have to tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset your network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, what you have to do guys, just simply have to force restart your devices depending on which model you are using. Usually you can force restart your device by tap and release volume up button and then tap and release the volume down button, and tap and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to contact with the card issuer and make sure that if they have given the permission to you to use your card to the international payments. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.